Hey guys, good morning. Omkar here. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm in the chat? My voice is clear, right? Give me 1 minute. Sharing my screen. Welcome to a welcome to one of the excited session. Welcome to OpenAI to xAI. OpenAI to xAI. Voice is slow. Yes. Yeah. One now. Okay. Lower. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Turn off your volume high first of all. Turn on volume high. That is that you should do your from your side. From your side. Then it will be everything is fine. So breaking means check your internet. Also check your internet. Check your net connection. Check your internet from your side. Give me 1 minute. I will just change my settings and let's see one more try. Okay. Now, am I audible clearly now? I just changed my settings. Yes. 100% pakka. Then good. Yeah. Sharing the screen. Let's see. Yeah. Welcome to OpenAI to xAI. The main intention of we have done many workshops. We have done many workshops in the past. But this this workshop, this workshop main objective is main objective is in the market there are so many in the market there are so many GenAI models are coming. GenAI models are released. In fact, every 1 month one GenAI model is releasing every 1 month. Correct? And in that, what is the GenAI model? First of all, a GenAI model is a AI group. So what is GenAI first? GenAI nothing but generative AI. So what is this? It is can generate, it can generate, it can generate new content, it can generate the new content, and it can generate, suppose such as text, it can generate the text, it can generate the images, and it can generate the audio, it can generate the audio, it can generate the video, and it can generate the code, it can generate the code also. And if you if you train on any data, if you train if you train with any data, any data, and then if you ask any question on the data, on the data, it can able to give the answer, it can able to give accurate answer, able to give accurate answer. So there are so many use cases. Like we know that we started with a business analyst. Generally, the progress is the business analyst. Slowly, the business analyst become a data analyst, data analyst, and then slowly, then it went into a data science, data science, because of due to some machine learning algorithm like that, machine learning. And then when the neural network concept introduced, when neural networks, when neural networks concept introduced, neural networks introduced that we call deep learning, then slowly that AI, artificial intelligence also introduced because of the deep learning, because of the deep learning and reinforcement and NLP. Now the advanced slowly as implemented with the generative AI, with the generative AI. So AI cannot generate these things. AI cannot generate these things. Suppose if you want to ask any code, now suppose you are opening the ChatGPT or opening ChatGPT. It is a one of the GenAI model. If one of the GenAI model, you are asking that write a Python program, write a Python program, write a Python program to generate to generate a for loop, simple for loop. It's a Python code. Now it's giving what answer? It generate a loop Python code. So with a span of seconds it's generating, and it's also you can ask any question. What is kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy? And it's give the kinetic energy. That is. Now you can ask the same questions also. How you are helpful? How you are helpful? How you are helpful? I'm asking the question to the chat GPT. It's saying that I can solve the coding problems, I can have the and ML and debug the code, financials, help to analyze mutual funds, stock market investments, provide the EMI home loan calculations, health and personal guidance, teaching career support, even career support, physics, and generate the reports and automate the task. Now, here you can have the same thing. The same thing. You can how you are different from Google search. From Google search. The same thing you can ask the same question here. Then it will give that. Now, that's a great question. Conversational personalizing gives me a list of web links. If I ask the same question, if I ask the same question, what is the same question I'm asking that? Suppose what is generate the write a Python programming formula generate for loop, generate for loop. Now, how many links are coming? Siksha.com, Geeks for Geeks, W3 Schools, Program is, and many things are coming. But this is given direct your answer. Given direct your answer. And that is this guy is saying first, it gives a list of web links and you have to find the right answer yourself. I understand your past queries, remember the context, and give direct and tailored answers. And code write in debugging. Suppose you got some error. Suppose I written one code. Suppose I'm opening that Google Colab. I'm opening the Google Colab. So don't panic. We will do that. It's complete hands-on session. Now I'm opening one new notebook. Suppose opening one new notebook. So the same code. I'm just copying here. And same code I'm just copying. I'm running. I'm same code. Now suppose I miss this code. I'm writing here the same code. Just connecting. Just understand what is this exactly use case of this. It's giving the answer. Suppose by mistakenly, I did not provided this I. This code is definitely error code. This code is definitely error code. You don't know what is the error. Then you need to just copy this, and you're asking here that this guy is saying that I can debug the code. I can debug the code. Now this you're writing here, then it's correct code. It's saying that you're wrong code and you're correct code. It's giving that. So that this guy is saying that I can your debug code, I can write your code and help to blogs and content writings, financial and health advice. Suppose you can do the conversation like this. What suppose, hey, I bought a new house. I bought a new house, new home. Suppose for 2 crores, 2 crores. Then 2 crores, and suppose I invested in Gachibowli. Suppose Gachibowli, Gachibowli in suppose gated community. Is it worthful? Is it worthful? I'm asking a question like that. Then it's saying that congrats, buying a new core gated community Gachibowli is solid investment, location advantage, gated community perks, market appreciation, worth it. Now you see, would you like to help to analyze your EMI tax benefits for portion indicators? Then if you say yes, the conversation starts. EMI calculations, 1 crore loan amount, 2 crore and rental income and tax benefits. And then would you like to detail rental lead, EMI taxes, everything conversation starts here. So it's can everything is at one place, right? Yeah. And not only that, you are create this is a chatbot. The chatbot you can create on your own data also. Chatbot you can create your own data. Suppose my organization is I'm working with Cognizant. I did not say my introduction, right? I directly jumped that because I have done every week, 2 weeks, I'll conduct the workshops. My audience are fixed, so I thought escape. But myself is myself, Omkar Nalagoni. Okay, Omkar Nalagoni. I am working as a lead data scientist in Cognizant, Cognizant. Also, have total 12 years of experience. 12 years of experience in IT industry, 12 years of experience. And I collaborated with many organizations in the Indian wide, and I collaborated with some corporate companies, universities, and with Naresh IT also. Also, I completed my MTech from JNT Hyderabad and my data science PG diploma from IIT Tirupati. So I don't want to go to that much brief discussion because many people know about me. That is the thing is you can ask here also, like suppose you can ask that who is Nalagoni Omkar sir. Then he'll give about me like that. No, no, like he'll give you like that. You want reviews, feedback, training, I check the latest information, let me know, can assist. Can say yes, he will give that. Yes, please. Like that. He'll give like that. Search the webs and YouTube and everything. That is. So my reviews and that everything will be generated at one place. So now you got some idea about generative AI, right? You got some idea about the generative AI. Give me a minute. Yeah. Everyone got some idea about what is generative AI doing? How it is going that? The steps? Clear, right? Yeah, this session is uploaded YouTube also. Live session is going on. So my students already know something, okay? Not something, many things. Those who are new in this session, those who are new in this session, so I want their response because this session is now going to be a complete hands-on session. So it is very, very important you to be understand what you are learning now, right? Yeah. So where travel? Those who are raising hands, you can message me if you have any doubts. So I hope I can move next, right? Yes. Hey guys, I'm back. Am I audible to you now? The power just went and off. Yeah. Now generative AI leads. We know that generative AI can work on any data. Like we can work on the numeric data. We can work on the numerical. You can work on the text. You can work on the images. You can work on the video. You can do the audio. Anything you can do. And specifically, there is a large language models. Large language models. Large language models. The name is game. Large language models. So large language models is nothing but LLMs. Is nothing but LLMs. Specifically, specifically specifically works on the languages. Specifically work on the languages. Means text data. Means text data. Text data. Text data. Specifically work on the text data. Under the generative AI only, this is one part. Under the generative AI only, this is one part. Now, if I want to talk with, suppose I'm asking a question. I'm asking a I'm asking a question. I'm asking a question to ChatGPT just now before in front of you only. I have the question. So that asking question nothing but prompting. So asking question means what is the name is called? You should not say communication. You should not say I'm asking question. You should say that I'm prompting. It's called prompting. Then what is emerged? Prompt engineering is emerged. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering. These are the interlinked. These are the interlinked. Now nowadays, what is coming? AI agents came. AI agents, agentic AI came. Agentic AI means same like the back end only. The AI and generative AI, Gen AI combination plus extra real time access. Then they are able to think like exactly human beings. AI agents. In order to work all these things, we have so many Python frameworks are there. And one of the famous Python framework is called LangChain. LangChain framework is there. LangChain Python framework is there. Python framework. So many. This is again not technical. This is again a no tool kind of technical kind of thing. This is about your overall story. The where you started business analyst and then where you are at now place. That's called agentic AI. Now recently also there is a one news is there. 1 minute. I will show that news. 1 minute. I just one news is recently came. That is, I just want to show that. Give a minute. I'm just some news. I'm checking one news. Give me a minute. I'm just open that news. How this is going emerging? Everyone wants to learn this. Than this. Just opening that news. Let me translate in English. Yeah. The salary package varies from 5 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Jobs are being offered IT sector. However, the annual salary package, most of them less than 4 lakhs. There are news reports saying the paper in the paper, TV, and certain students being offered 25 lakhs and 50 lakhs. Yes, it's possible. 25 lakhs and 50 lakhs is possible in the service based companies only, and that too because of a new skills that is called AI, artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. And especially the guys are mentioned only this. You see, right? In its career progression report, the company clarified that the salaries of those who are developed high demand skills like artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning is suggested that 0 to 3 years, just 0 to 3 years, 5 lakhs to almost 12 lakhs, 139% high, those who are earning because of the data science skills. And mid-level professionals, 93%, and 8 to 12 years. Now they are easily getting 40 lakhs. And that the huge salaries, the real time, that is the data. So this is because of the your generative and AI thing. So it is really very, very important. Everyone should learn this. Everyone should learn that with all the things. Now there are so many companies. There are so many companies are generating the so many models, and we know that OpenAI, OpenAI collaborated with Microsoft, and that model is called GPT model. What is the full form GPT, guys? Tell me what is the full form GPT? Generative, generative pre-trained, generative pre-trained transformers. Very good. Transformers. The model name is called generative pre-trained transformers. That's why it is called GPT. It's called GPT. And there are so many GPT models are there. And that's why we have seen that ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the one of the LLM model. And next, what are the another models? Now, Anthropic, the company, and why you are asking my salary, Chinna? Akash, why you need my salary? Tell me. And Anthropic is using that Claude model. Claude, yeah, my experience. I can't disclose that. No, how can I disclose that? Tell me. You should not ask that kind of things. Gemini, Google is a company. Google is a company, and never ever ask salary to anyone. Okay. That's not a good manners. Gemini, other than very, very close to you. Okay. Don't ask in the IT company also. What is your salary to your manager? Your manager will laugh. Yeah, we'll share this notes and everything. Yeah. Next, Google is the generating that, and Meta company. Please note down this also. These are the remembering the names are very, very important because in the future you will work on all these things. Okay. Llama models and your xAI. xAI is a company Twitter that is called your Grok, and your Amazon, the company, these are the Bedrock. This is a workshop is free, but the actual course I will tell the details. The actual course. These are all the different companies generative AI models. Rahul, what is your question? These all are generative AI models. Generative AI models from different companies. Okay, these are the generative AI models. It was a workshop. Yes, it was a workshop. Yeah, Nikesh, I will share that. Okay. Before going to that, I will just share the two things. One is before going to that. So this is, can you everyone scan this and join? This is the new batch is going on from tomorrow onwards. Data science and generative AI of mine in Naresh IT. So, those who are interested, you can join. Can you take this? Can you join in this group? Can you scan this immediately in 1 minute? 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. The batches. You can join in this group. 10:30 a.m. If you are not able to scan, you can take the screenshot. You can take the photo, and you can join in this. Only GenAI means that is true. Naresh IT is not that. GenAI is included after data science. Okay, GenAI is included. Take the photo, ma Pushpa. This is a new batch. Take the photo. If you want only GenAI, you separately contact with me. This is the new batch, guys. A new batch. New data science and GenAI batch. 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Yes, it's part of that. Next tomorrow you attend it. Everything is part with Python. Without Python, you can't do anything. Manishwar. Monday to Saturday. Yes, ma. These all are generative AI models from the different companies. You understood, right? These all are the GPT. Everyday class. This is Rahul. We are explaining because our workshop name is that only. That's why we need to know, because here you know everything about these models, Rahul, before. Rahul, you know, that's why you are asking. Okay. Many people here, many people doesn't know. First of all, we need to explain them what are the different models, then we need to enter into that. Understand? First, we need to explain that. Many people doesn't know this. First, different companies, what are that? Getting Rahul? We'll take the questions. Okay. That I think settings. That is settings is there, Avinash. Sai, yes, here everything will cover. In this course, everything will cover. Python, SQL, statistics, okay, EDA, Power BI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, GenAI, and LangChain, everything covered. Okay, that is. So I hope you taken the screenshot. Please join in that. This is not the platform of that. Okay, I'm asking you, please join in that group, and then you'll get the details. Getting those who are asking this course, it is not the platform for that. This platform is completely related to workshop. Please join in this. Please join in this. Okay. Unable to scan means you take the screenshot. Photo le lo. Okay, photo le lo and join it. That's the one thing. Photo le lo, photo, and you can join it. And second thing is done a photo. Nikesh, you contact me tomorrow. You understood, right? What I'm saying? We don't need a further discussion on this. Just take a photo and we will do that tomorrow. Okay. You don't need to worry about this course. Okay. Data says all this part now. Data says all this part. Okay. All the part itself. The part of all these things. We'll cover all these things. Suppose I will just show that. Those are asking many questions. That's why I'm opening this. Okay. That's why I'm opening this. But I immediately close this. Okay. I don't want to discuss this first of all because this is not a correct platform. But many people are asking the question. That's why I'm showing this. We covered all these things. Okay. In this course, just have a look. Just have a look. Statistics, probability, advanced Power BI, EDA, machine learning, and part 2, unsupervised learning, deep learning, OpenCV, NLP, time series, MLOps, prompt engineering, generative AI, Azure, and LangChain, agentic AI, everything will cover this course. If you want to talk with me separately, yes, if you want to talk with me separately, you need to go with this. And this is my community group. Everyone please join in this my community group so that you'll get latest updates from Omkar sir. This is my community group. And the first one is the new course, and this is my community group. No, you can take the photo. You can take the photo, right? You're not understanding what I'm saying, Aish. You can take the photo, then again take the screenshot. Will open that is. Don't worry. Don't worry that. Or I will do one thing. 1 minute. Don't worry. I have one more is there. I will take more. I will take no longer exist. Really. 1 minute then. Many people are joining. Many people are joining. You get a latest updates. Done, right? Yeah. Power is making so much trouble. Thanks. I'm just giving this. That so many tools, nothing but only generative AI, bro. Understood, Sai? Your question itself answer. Generative AI is the concept. Generative AI is the concept. Getting? Like physics is the subject. Like physics, like chemistry, the subject. Same like generative AI is the concept. Under the generative AI only, the so-called, you mentioned many AI tools, right? The many AI tools, nothing but is yourself. That is many AI tools itself. And in the past, I have given so many workshops. You can just type Omkar sir, Naresh IT. You'll get so many workshops. You'll get it. Then you'll understand my workshops. Your answer is that. Yeah. Now these are the different. That's why in order to now so many students are confusing like different companies are developing the different GenAI models, sir. That's why we started this workshop called OpenAI to xAI. OpenAI to xAI. This is not a one-day workshop. It will take 2-3 sessions. It will take 2-3 sessions because here I will cover all the important famous models like Microsoft, Anthropic, Google, Meta, xAI, Amazon, Mistral AI also. We'll cover the Mistral AI company also. That is also we will do. Every model will go in detail. Every model will go to in detail. Every model will go in detail. In detail. Every model will go in detail. And then we will do with Python hands-on. We will, that main objective is here is, that is first, will will create the API keys for each and every model wherever wherever it is required, and then will access the models using the Python programming, using Python platform. So here we will mainly focus on the Google Colab, and then by Google Colab means here some people know Python, some people doesn't know Python. You no need to worry about that because I will take care of that. That's fine. And third one is will perform will perform use cases will perform the use cases on each and every model. The thing is some models are free, some models are free, and some are not free. Some are not free. Some are not free. Suppose for example, if you see GPT models, OpenAI models, they will give suppose up to max suppose $1 or $5 rupees. They will give the $5, and then after you use sometime, you use sometime the charges are gone. That is that $5 will be expired. $5 will be expired. So this is a kind of a paid one. It is not a free. It is a paid one. And suppose if you to go to the Gemini model, it is a free access. It is a free access. Now, if you go to the Llama model does not require any API key. No API key. No API key. Llama model does not require no API key. You can run using the Hugging Face. You can run using the Hugging Face. We can run using the Hugging Face or Olama platform, or Llama from all these things we learn it. Everything we will learn it. That is the main thing of this workshop. Getting right? What I'm saying is, so that's why we introduce this. What are the models and everything is there? How to access that and everything. And slowly we will learn about that how to use with LangChain, how to use with LangChain, how to use with LangChain and everything. And then we will create the agents. We'll create the agents. It's a completely a every 2 weeks we'll conduct one workshop. We'll conduct one workshop every 2 weeks. So hope you will get a lens, a good hands-on. You'll get it. That is.